Hi, it's Aunt Honey. Today we're going to be making some rustic bread, homemade. We're going to start with 3 cups warm water. Two and a half teaspoons of active dry yeast. While the yeast is rising, you want to add 3 teaspoons of salt into your flour and stir. Once the yeast has bubbles, you want to add the flour a little bit at a time. Once mixed, so it's not too sticky to touch, if you need to add more flour, you can add a half a cup at a time. Then add plastic wrap and cover for 1 to 3 hours to let rise. This is the dough after 2 hours. I forgot about it. In the meantime, you want to place your oven at 450. Place a pizza stone right here, and then a tray with about 2 inches of water to create a steaming effect, so you can get extra crispy crust. And if you don't have a pizza stone, you can just use an upside down cookie sheet. You want to sprinkle your counter with flour and then roll the dough out. And you just want to create 2 balls. Rolling it as minimally as possible. Then once the balls are made, we're going to place an X in the top. Once the X is cut in, you want to put it on the pizza stone. That X didn't work. And that X didn't work. Looks like hearts.
Yeah. They're beautiful.